this problem is asking me to find the distance between the pair of points. And so to do that, I'm going to use my distance formula. My distance formula is the square root of the difference between my x's plus the difference between my y's squared. So let's put that in color so it's easy to see. So we're going to take x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. There's my formula. And so now let's plug those in. My y coordinates are going to be 6 and 8, and my x coordinates are going to be, my x coordinates are going to be 8 and 2. So let's plug it all in and find what we got. So my distance equals the square root of the difference between my x's plus the difference between my y's, and both of those squared. So let's do my x's first. My x's are 8 minus 2, and my y's are 8 minus 6. Alright, so let's do this out. So the distance equals the square root of 8 minus 2 is 6 squared, plus 8 minus 6 is 2 squared. That's the same thing as the distance equals 36 plus 4, which equals square root of 40. Okay, but I can simplify that. If I take 40 and I factor that, it factors into 4 and 10, which factors into 2 and 5, and 2 and 2. So I can rewrite square root of 40 as square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can find a pair, and I find a pair of 2's right here, so I'm going to cross them out and bring it to the outside. So my final answer is going to be, on the outside I have 2, on the inside I have 2 times 5, so that's 10. So my answer is going to be 2 root 10. The distance between these 2 points is 2 root 10 apart.